You've seen videos before, are you nervous?
No.
No? You're actually excited?
I am.
Oh!
Oh! Shit.
What did you feel like? It's crazy.
So basically, I have pain on my left back, upper back, whenever I'm sitting and whenever I'm working. But when I'm standing and when I'm sleeping, I don't have that pain.
So the only time you have is right now when you're sitting.
So right now when I'm sitting, yeah. But today morning I took some painkillers, so the pain is less, but it comes back again and again.
How long does the painkiller usually take before you start feeling it again?
Maybe a couple of hours.
So you take about one a day, the painkillers?
Huh?
How many?
One a day, yeah.
Okay. For about 2 weeks now, you said?
I have just started taking painkillers for the last 4 days.
4 days, okay.
But I don't prefer to take medicines actually.
I understand. So we've done your x-rays, let's go over it. Although you're only having pain here,
Yeah.
you still took a full spine x-ray. So this is the lower region where you're not having pain. But it's always good to check the spine as a whole because you might be having pain here,
Yeah.
but then misalignment.
It might be triggering from here.
Exactly. So within this region now, we're looking at straightness here.
Yeah.
Your own is pretty straight as well, so that's good. If we look at the hips, this is right, this is left. You can slightly see this left hip is higher.
Yeah,
But
that's
it's-
true.
Yes, but it's not significant. It's not significant. We can see it's slightly higher.
Right.
Also, if I measure from here to here, and I measure from here to here, this right hip, you can see it's rotated. It looks bigger because of the rotation.
It's broader.
If you are looking at me this way, you will see both ears. If my head is tilted and rotated, you see more of this, less of
Yeah.
this. So that's what's happening within the hips. You've seen videos before, are you nervous?
No.
No? You're actually excited?
I am.
Oh! You okay?
Yeah.
Deep breath in. Let it all out. Deep breath in. And out. Come back to this one. Take your time. What did you feel like? It's crazy. You okay?
I'm okay.
Now go face down. And the head over. Over some more. That was an eye opener. Relax. Okay, one more. Have you seen the white strap?
Which one?
The white strap.
No.
Okay, so this will help to decompress the spine.
Okay.
See how the cervical is going out.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what I will do before I do it, okay?
Alright.
Bring your head up and down. Just relax the head down. Okay. So I will stretch. I'm gonna make a quick adjustment, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Bring your hand to your side. Okay, back to your stomach. Bring your hand to your stomach.
Oh. Shit. Went to the lower. Okay.
Where'd you feel it?
It went all the way to the hair. Yeah.
It felt like a stretch? Or
Yeah.
what? it was painful when it happened and then it eased off, or it wasn't painful?
It was a little, not too
Not
much.
too much.
No.
I guess you wouldn't laugh if it was painful.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. So do I get up now? Or?
Yes, you can come on.
Yeah.
Let's make sure you can get up. Okay.
Yeah. Wow. Crazy. The kind of noises the body makes.
Still don't believe it's your body, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Trying to move. You feel sore, you feel stiff, you feel loose. How do you...
I definitely feel pulling sensation over here.
On the lower back?
Yeah. And I feel a little stiffness here. Here. And but yeah, I mean, rest of things I feel very loose.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
So you rest for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
I'll come and give you this time, okay?
Okay.
Come on, please.